have another video. And today I'm reviewing the Madonna shirt. The Madonna tee from the Supreme Week 1 drop. It's a black colorway. I got this right off the drop. I have a video on that if you guys want to go check that out. I did already sell this on StockX, so I'm not going to be opening it. But size large. Cream. And for this week, you get a free gift. You get a bouncy ball, which was pretty cool. Here's the stickers they gave you. Some cool stickers. Yeah. I think this shirt was like $60 after shipping and everything.